Why do smart people stay financially struggling? It's baffling. You see brilliant individuals with degrees and accolades, yet they struggle financially. Intelligence seems like a golden ticket to success, so why doesn't it guarantee wealth? In this video, we're diving deep into why brilliance doesn't always equate to financial freedom. Knowledge is power, or is it? While intelligence opens doors, information without action is like owning a car without fuel. Many smart people excel in theory, but struggle to apply practical strategies, especially regarding money. The result? Missed opportunities and financial stagnation. Brilliant individuals often equate risk with recklessness. Ironically, this fear keeps them stuck. Wealth building, whether through investments, entrepreneurship, or bold career shifts, requires embracing calculated risks. When paired with overcaution, intelligence can create a fear-fueled cycle that prevents financial growth. Perfectionism is another enemy of financial progress. Many intelligent people focus on optimizing every decision, waiting for the perfect opportunity. Meanwhile, life moves on, and opportunities slip away. The pursuit of flawlessness stagnates action, which is the actual driver of financial success. From a young age, society teaches smart people that grades and achievements matter most, but the real world operates differently. Test scores don't determine financial success. It's built on creativity, resilience, and an understanding of navigating unpredictable challenges outside classrooms and lecture halls. Ironically, some of the brightest minds lack foundational financial knowledge. Terms like compound interest or diversification don't come quickly unless explicitly learned. Intelligence in other fields doesn't automatically translate to mastering money, leaving many brilliant people in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Prestigious, stable careers appeal to competent individuals, but these often come with income ceilings. Lawyers, doctors, or engineers can earn well, yet if they don't invest or diversify, they remain tethered to golden handcuffs. Trading time for money keeps even brilliant people stuck in financial plateaus. Another hidden factor is mindset. Many intelligent individuals unknowingly harbor money-limiting beliefs. I only deserve what I work hard for, or wealth is for the greedy. These mental blocks sabotage potential and keep financial success just out of reach. The good news? Intelligence can fuel wealth when paired with decisive action and financial education. Shifting from overthinking to proactive, practical steps, like budgeting, investing, or starting side hustles, empowers bright individuals to align their intellect with long-term financial growth. You've got the intelligence, now it's time to pair it with innovative actions. Build financial skills, embrace risk, and challenge limiting beliefs standing in your way. Ready to level up? Start learning, start acting, and create the wealth you deserve. Don't wait, begin your financial journey today. Subscribe, share, and comment below and like to encourage us.